You have probably seen this type of video on YouTube. There is a presenter on screen, sometimes a real human, sometimes an animated character, speaking directly to the camera, just like me. They explain things clearly, confidently, and almost like they are recording in a professional studio. These videos feel personal, engaging, and trustworthy. So you might ask, why use a presenter at all? Can't you just go faceless? Yes, faceless videos work and they have their advantages, but presenter style videos perform exceptionally well because they create a sense of connection. When someone talks directly to the viewer, it's like having a conversation. It builds trust faster and keeps people engaged longer. It also gives your channel a recognizable identity, a character or personality that gives viewers can relate to. It also gives your channel a recognizable identity, a character or a personality that viewers can relate to. That's why presenter style videos are especially effective in niches like education, motivation, business, psychology, productivity, and even tech tutorials. The challenge, of course, is traditional creation. Making animated presenters requires skill, and appearing on camera yourself requires confidence, good delivery, multiple retakes, careful editing, and consistency. It's time-consuming and often intimidating for new creators. But what if there was a way to get the benefits of presenter videos without all the stress? That's where Vexub comes in. With Vexub, you can create presenter-style videos easily, fully automated, and looking professional, without ever stepping in front of a camera. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open vexub.com and select the text-to-video option, and then click on Go to Step 2. Now, select your video format. For YouTube, especially long-form videos, the horizontal format works best. This layout is perfect for tutorials, educational content, and explanation videos. Once selected, click on Go to Step 3. Here's the exciting part, the presenter option. Instead of skipping the narrator, enable this feature. This allows a virtual presenter to appear on screen, speaking directly to the audience. Vexub provides several presenter options, cartoon-style characters, human-like avatars, and more, and pick the one that fits your niche and tone. For example, you might select a realistic human-like presenter for professional content or a cartoonish style for lighter casual topics. Next, choose a voice. This voice will automatically sync with the presenter, ensuring natural lip movements and smooth delivery. Once the voice is selected, click on Go to Step 4. Now it's time for you to write the script. You can either paste your own script or let Vexub generate one from your video title. If you generate it automatically, take a moment to review the script carefully, edit it to remove generic lines, simplify sentences, and add natural pauses. Keep it conversational, clear, and easy to follow. And then, once satisfied, click on Go to Step 5. Here, you will select your image style. This sets the visual theme of your video. You can choose from pre-built styles or customize your own. Once chosen, then click on Start Generation. In just a few moments, Vexub produces your complete presenter style video.
Saving money often feels like a battle. You cut back on lattes, skip lunch outs, and maybe even cancel Netflix. But what if I told you can save big?
As you can see, the virtual presenter is synced with the voice, visuals match the script, and transitions are smooth and professional. You can preview the video and, if needed, replace scenes, regenerate visuals, or fine-tune specific elements to make it even more polished. Once everything looks perfect, simply export the video.
You can save big without feeling the pinch. Here's the deal. Start with tracking your spending. That's $100 gone.
Now you have a fully professional presenter style video ready to upload to YouTube, all without recording yourself or spending hours on animation. This method is ideal for creators who want the engagement of face-to-face presentation but need the efficiency of AI. You can experiment with different presenter styles, voices, and scripts to build a consistent channel identity. So there you have it, a complete, easy, and professional way to create presenter style videos using Vexub. Try it out with the free credits, explore its features, and when you are ready, pick one of their subscription plans. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, drop a comment below. I will help you out. I'll catch you in the next video.